answer, sumunod sila, no?
What a small world. We met another Filipina. Her name is Fe.
Yeah.
They are living there here. She's living also in Zurich, and the first time they met her in Etliberg, just in Etliberg.
Tagal-tagal na pala. Dati kasi sa burn ako eh. Parang si Vivian. Oh, sa burn. Hindi ko nakilala nga eh. Isang ultrasound.
Okay. Dito pag magbanderong ka or hiking, magamit ka ng stick. That's why Faye is using the stick. So meet our new friend Faye. Guys, this is a live stream. Live stream YouTube. Okay, sa YouTube ito.
Wow. Ikaw talaga.
Filipina BisDak Nurse, yours truly. No, an auto is coming. Maginaw guys, but we are very hot because we have that warm hearts.
Genau. Fine,
Ano, minsan naman,
Oh, they are now talking about pension.
because we are already.
We are old already.
Oh, we are old
Already. Already.
ay, sabi lang, pero pag nag-iisa kang mag-sped list.
Yeah.
Nag-isa ka lang nag-sweet dance?
Frankel player rin. Lagi. Siyempre, pag maraming trabaho.
Ikaw ilang taon ka naka-offer rin?
60, within 60.
Aha.
Since 4 years na.
64 ka na pala.
4 years na ako pensioner.
64 ka na pala ngayon. Ano ka na?
Kaya ang buhay.
Pero maganda ang buhay ng pensioners.
Kanya minsan.
Minsan maganda, minsan
So,
mamiss mo rin yung trabaho.
you heard that guys?
Yung mo?
When you are one of our
Motivation.
live watching sa live natin. Hello host, Nanay GCG. Thank you for watching. Thank you for thumbs up too. We have a meeting of Filipinas here in this mountain with a lot of snow. Ginaw, pero we feel very happy. Felt very happy that we meet together here. Lang kami nag walking.
Okay.
Oo.
Okay, bye. Bye guys. Have a good day.
Hello Joe, who's with you today? This is my friends from Zurich. Yeah, because our president will come, and so we will enjoy
for tomorrow.
for tomorrow. The BBM, our President Marcos will come.
Ay, hindi. Ngayon lang. Uwi din yan. Up lang kami ngayon kasi Presia.
Malayo, no? Okay. 1 hour lang naman.
Snow dyan, Ma'am Merly? Yes, Nanay GCG. Ang ginaw. That's why we are very...
Magawa tayo ng halo-halo, Mama G. We are inviting you.
to make a halo-halo.
Halo. We are, everywhere is ready to make halo-halo.
Halo-halo. Nagkatanda siya. This is also from Leyte. Nanay GCG's Inday Lingatong is from Leyte too. And
Come to our
and bye. Nanay GCG. She's working with them, with the poor.
Aha. Are you a
Yes.
social worker?
Yes, social worker. I heard the news that President Marcos will be there in Switzerland. Not only will be there, he's already here. Yeah. Look kung malala to. Comments now. Meron comments. Dami comments. It's very cold, but shout out sa inyong tanan. Thanks for the shout out.
Shout out to all the Latinos.
The Latinos.
And the Philippines.
The Philippines.
Of course. And Latinos here in Switzerland.
Nanay GCG, halo-halo talaga. Saan sila sa Leyte, Ma'am Marley?
Southern
They are from
Leyte.
Southern Leyte. Saan sa
Maasin.
Maasin, tagad Maasin yan sila.
Ah.
Nanay, GCG is from Maasi.
Inday is
From Palompon.
San Francisco,
Ah.
Southern Leyte.
Bye, ha?
Ingat.
God bless, ha? Nice to see you.
Nice meeting you,
Yeah, ikaw
Fe.
din, ha?
Ikaw din.
Pagpunta, no, ha? Time, yan. Sorry. At saka, ha? Sa Lucerne, regards mo ko sa Lucerne.
Sige ha. Ikaw mag-ano ka. Oo. Bye-bye.
Bye, ha?
Fe.
See you.
Oo,
Bye,
si
ha?
bye-bye, Fe. Bye. Ay, sa Ormoc siya. Sa Ormoc siya, my dear. Kaning si Nanay GCG kasi mga trabaho niya mga nag-vlog siya sa mga working mga poor ba na doon mga pulubi. Nagtulong. Ha? Nanay GCG paton daw ka sa Leyte sa ilahang beach ni Inday Pai Beach. Bisita ka. Oo. Asa man tatabok? Ay. Happy. Ay, hello, thank you po for the thumbs up. Tagaraw family vlog. Hatful gandang komentar abgegeben.
Wow.
Thank you very much for the comments, guys. Down part.
Looking forward for her next
the
vlog.
next vlog. Yes. Zurich Uetliberg. Huh?
15 minutes.
15 minutes. Okay. Inche sa Tagalete si Nanay GCG.
Nagkuan na ta, nag-change sa katong color.
These are we are all nurses, so the nurses meeting.
Yeah. Just having fun.
Fun.
In the mountain part of Zurich.
Zurich. Very cold. Okay guys, thank you for watching. So I have to stop here kasi mag-antay kami ng train namin.
Don't forget to
Don't
like.
forget to like and to give
And
that thumbs up and subscribe. Filipina BisDak
Subscribe.
Nurse and also for
No, I do not have a
Inday
vlog.
Lingaton vlog.
I just love to see her vlogs.
Saan banda sa beach Leyte daw nyo?
Macron.
Sa Macron.
Buskayan, sa Buskayan.
Buskaya. Ah?
Buskayan.
Buskayan. Yan ay GCG.
Sa Buskayan po.
Oo.
Punta po kayo doon.
Sa beach nila. Kasi mayroon sila beach resort. Open for
Public
the public. Inday Pai.
beach.
Okay. Nagbay siya kasi nagbay-bye ako.
Okay.
Thank you for watching, Nanay GCG. Oo. Ma'am, sa Buskayan. She knows.
Ano kayo ba malagi siya?
Okay, ma'am. Buskayan.
Yung mga kliyente namin ay karamihan taga-Ormo.
Nanay GCG, did you heard that from Ormo, mga clients nila doon sa Ormoc? Puntahan kayo
guest.
sila.
May client, not guest.
Guest. Bisita kayo doon.
Balik kayo doon.
Balik kayo doon. Miss Elena, Team Elena Vlog.
Yeah.
This is the Inday, the owner of that beach.
Again.
And again, and this is the pie, the Inday pie.
Again. Walang naong tanawaran. Mag-usap-usap na yung naong aron ilap mong kagato no.
Oo, kay makuan man tungod na nainitan. Okay. Okay. Huh? Okay guys, have a nice day and watch. Thanks for watching. Hello sa inyong tanan. Ingon si Nanay GCG. Taga-Leyte siya, taga-Ormoc.
Hello po, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
See you, ma'am.
So our train is coming, so we'll have to
Right
now.
Yeah, we're
Mm.
Bulog sa Manila.
Ah. Yeah. Yes, Annie Doki. That was so good.
Battery na ba yung mga bata?
Claro, sí son los papalotes maestros.
Karolator pa.
Sunny, this is cute, baby.
Ay, swerte ng bata.
Huh?
So cute.
So very cute. Cute. Na-enjoy si Nanay GCG na to.
Hmm?
Ah.
Siguro, karamihan kasi sa mga guest na